First of all, U.S. for us is a very important uh, strategic partner across the board. You know it well. It's also our largest trading partner in terms of the exports which go to the U.S. Uh, Now, what we have done in the last few days, the Prime Minister has constituted two committees. One is a steering group, which is primarily around ministers and some of the leading businessmen and academicians and secretaries. I'm convening that committee, and then there is a working group which is being led by Secretary Commerce. So we've been meeting over the last couple of days. We continue to meet over the next few days with a view that, you know, from my perspective and where I sit, what I would like to say is that, you should never let a good crisis go to waste. So we are looking at this both as a challenge and as an opportunity. On the opportunity side, it's a relative value discussion in terms of what's happening with other locations and jurisdictions. And on the challenge side, what we can do in terms of the negotiation with the US administration. So in the next couple of days, a few days, we are going to finalize our recommendations to the Prime Minister. And I can also tell you that with the approval of the Prime Minister, because ultimately he has to approve it, we intend to send a high-level delegation to Washington to get our views across and to ensure that we want to be a partner which is a long-term strategic partner, and we are working on the package as of now, and we'll finalize that so that this discussion can go forward with the U.S. administration. So, as I said, we are very constructively engaged at this point in time, and that's how we are looking at the way forward.